What will happen if you shrink and get into a skin pore on a person's nose? Why was the second head living her life? And why the smaller the ruler, the longer the shore gets chased? If you were reduced and you ended up on someone's nose, there would be black around wax-filled craters. It would be worth stumbling and you'd fall through a tunnel of dead skin and bacteria. His walls would be slippery and warm, covered layers of fat. While you would try to get out, fresh fat would start seeping out on all sides. He was going up fast, filling the space and pulling you deeper to be saved. You would need to climb the walls by all means before a new stream would bury you alive. Then one more head grew on his head. She could blink and smile separately. That head was actually his twin, which didn't fully split in the womb. She cried when he laughed and looked into the void when he was falling asleep. Each head lived its own brain. And when the boy was 4 years old, he got bit by a snake and both heads died together last. If you measure the coastline with a mile-long ruler, get a number which seems quite reasonable, but if you take a yardstick about 91 centimeters, the measurement will become more detailed and the number will already get bigger, and if you take a ruler of only 30 centimeters length, will grow again. This happens because that with each reduction in the scale of measurement, more and more small bends and details are taken into account which the long line missed. The closer you look, the more you see bends. The length of the coastline becomes everything is longer, as if it has no end at all.